Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, we are seeing US market hitting new high on Friday. Friday was a short trading day over there in US. Thereafter, in Asian market, most of the markets are seeing positive trend. Uh, that also is supported by Chinese PMI data, which came ahead of expectation at 51.5 versus expectation of 50.6 and last month 50.3. So positive China data from China, which has supported even the commodity prices as well, wherein iron ore and steel both are up by around 1% and 0.5%. Uh, but whereas in India, GDP figure came bit lower, much lower than expected at around 5.4% year on year versus expectation of 6.5. Uh, Even if we see the monthly capital expenditure of the government, which has also come declined by almost around 10% year on year at 51,579. This is for October month versus last year, same month, 56,300. So, the key argument for revival in the H2 is of uh, revival of the capex of the government side, which has not yet come in the October month. Now, let us see what happens in the November month, but up till now, it has not come. Uh, so that can all have some minor drag on minor impact on the Indian market, but overall international market and commodities are supporting the Indian market. So what we expect that we had seen a bounce back on Friday, so it can remain. Though the market is indicating bit positive trend, but overall looks like it will remain in a range for today's trade. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note and we're likely to witness some range-bound trading session during a day. On the technical front, we have seen that the Nifty had shown a very good bounce back rally from 23,900 levels and maintained a positive closing above 24,100 last weekend, which gives some sort of a relief sign. Now, going ahead, we are likely to witness resistance at around 24,200 will be the immediate resistance level. Any move above that level will extend the rally towards to 24,270 to 24,340 levels. Whereas on low side, as of now, the support is placed at around 24,070 and 24,000 will act as a crucial support levels provided by psychological supports level. So as long as Nifty trades above 24,000 mark, definitely pullback rally can be seen in the coming few trading session. But definitely it's a stock specific market. We believe that rather than concentrating on the Nifty or the bank Nifty, which are remaining volatile, so one should focus on the stock specific trading with the strict stop losses. Coming towards the bank Nifty, but today intraday purpose 52,540 is the first resistance zone. Any move above that level will see some positive momentum carry forward towards to 52,770, 53,000 levels, whereas the support is placed at around 52,100 and 51,840 levels. Stock specific, Tata Chemicals really looks good positive on the technical front because the stock is under the consolidation phase above the important moving averages, say the 50 and the 100, and already it's showing a positive crossover on the average front. Also, the momentum indicators are showing a very strong strength. So we believe that the rally can be extended towards to 1170. Currently, the counter is trading at 1110 rupees. So one can take a buy call with a strict stop loss of 1080. That's it from my end. I request Nirav to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. Um, on the derivative front, see, very importantly, on a weekly closing basis, Nifty is closed above the 24,000 levels. Very important that was because highest put base was around the 24,000 levels, even though we closed below the same a day prior. But it looked like, there was a positive signal there, which is good. Now, Nifty can reach to 24,500 odd levels. That at the 24,500 level, the calls are reasonable. Highest call base is at 25,000 call strike. So yes, there can be a good push towards those levels for now. At this point of time, one can remain long. VIX has also come down, which is positive. Um, Now the stop loss for long should be around 24,000 level on the spot basis. For the stock specific front, we did see most of the counters move up. We expect stocks from pharma, metals, and oil and gas space to do well. The rollovers for the same have been positive, and these stocks can possibly move up in the first few days of this series. So yeah, look out for the same. That's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Yeah. Uh, First of all, auto data of few of the company has come. In that, Maruti numbers are above expectations, which has come at 1,81,000 crores, 81,000 numbers, versus expectation of 1,66,000, and last month 1,64,000. So that can act positive for Maruti. But apart from that, other are either marginally positive or in line with expectations. Escorts had reported numbers below expectations at 8,974 versus expectation of 9,550. Then Eicher Motor has reported good growth in Royal Enfield for above 350 cc bike, whereas below 350 cc bike has not seen growth or seen some decline. So overall, the sales in the in the two-wheeler segments were in line with expectations, whereas CV sales has come ahead of expectations. Apart from that, Dixon Technology has now started production of the mobile for Google Pixel, uh, which Google will mobile will be launched. So the agreement was done in February 2024. It's more of a now the operational getting started. So marginal positive for Dixon Technology. Then RBI, RBL Bank and Bajaj Finance has mutually agreed to discontinue the issuance of new co-branded credit card. So it will be negative for RBL Bank and can have impact on the new growth of loan from credit card. And existing credit card also will continue, but over a period that will also have some declining trend of uses in the futures. So this can act negative for RBL Bank. For Bajaj Finance, it's more of okay because RBL was there was some restrictions on issuance of credit card because of the NPA getting piled up on credit card. So the number of issuance of credit co-branded credit card was below Bajaj Finance expectations. So marginal negative for Bajaj Finance, not likely to have major negative impact on Bajaj Finance. Then Biocon Biology had said that US FDA has approved one of the drug for them, that is Yesintintax, which is in fact uh, they had signed a settlement agreement with the patented product of Johnson and Johnson's for that product to be launched before February 2025. So now the US FDA has approved this product. So Biocon Biology, subsidiary of Biocon, can launch this product in the US market. So this will act as positive for Biocon Biology or Biocon Limited. So that's all from us. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we are witnessing a gap down opening in commodities. Gold, we are expecting prices to test 76 500, 300 on downside, the February contract. And for trading purpose, one can sell around 76 900, the stop loss of 77 to 15. Silver also one can initiate a sell around 90,800 in the March contract with a stop loss of 91 500, and on downside again 90,089 500 is the level where we are expecting to book profits. Similarly, in metals, copper also we are expecting prices to test 817, 815 on downside. So selling around selling with a stop loss of 226 is recommended. Also zinc, one can sell with a stop loss of 288 with on downside target of 284, 282. And crude oil also expected to test 5700 on downside, so selling around 5800 with a stop loss of 58 80 is recommended, though prices are trading in a range from 5700 to 5800. So if prices are sustaining below 5800, then one should sell with a stop loss of 5880. And in natural gas also, prices are expected to test 270, 265 on downside. So any pullback, one can sell with a stop loss of 285. And for trading purpose, one can also buy from 260 with a stop loss of 250. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.